Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is 20-hour fasting on a plant-based diet, and I'm going to show you exactly what I ate today, and I have some clips from my workout playing here as well. But if you're new to my channel, I've been eating a plant-based diet for about 13 years, and I've been intermittent fasting for the last around 8 years or so, and I highly recommend both. I think intermittent fasting is a great part no matter what type of diet you eat. It's a great part of an overall healthy lifestyle. And I generally fast for about 18 hours a day and have about a 6-hour eating window, but certain days I fast longer. So on this day in specific, I did about a 20-hour fast and I ate my food in about a 3 to 4 hour window. Now my workout, I do fasted at about 11 a.m. So I just drink water through the morning, and then I typically can break my fast around 1 p.m., but on this day I waited to 5 p.m. So I had my last meal at around 8 p.m. the night before, and then I had my first meal on this day at 5 p.m. Now I do strength training twice a week at the gym, and I do cardio twice a week, which is generally a run. And my strength training is very simple. I do typically body weight exercises. A couple times lately I've been adding some weights to the pull-ups, and I've been doing a bench machine as well. But I'll generally do a pull-push leg routine where I just do 2 rounds. So I'll do a pull, push, leg, and that's it. I take about 3 or 4 minutes in between each round, or in between each set, because I go really hard on the set. I'm only doing around 6 sets per workout twice a week. That's only 12 sets per week. So since I'm only not doing that many sets, my volume is pretty low. I go really hard on the set. And because of that, I like to take a few minutes to recover between each set. So at 5 p.m., I had a Sumo citrus and a can of Tropical Gold pineapple. So a good way to start it off, nice and hydrating. I like to start off with fruit, and typically. And then a little bit after that, I made an oatmeal. It was a serving of oats. I had a bunch of blueberries. I sliced up an apple. I had some cinnamon and brown sugar, about a 1/4 cup of pecans, and a splash of almond milk on there as well. A good combination I've been doing with oatmeal. A little bit after that, I had some beans and potatoes with some salsa on top, an avocado on the side, and some prunes, and some of these baked chips as well. So that was it for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.